What you guys, got another video here for you on how to use your SSD software, and we're going to be taking a look at how we can monitor our health of our SSD and also the performance of our SSD. Now, if you don't know what type of SSD you have in your system, you can right click on the start button and go device manager, and then once this opens up, you can go to where it says disk drives. Inside here, it will tell you your disk drive that you've got. You can see a data and it will give you a number. Also, I can see ST, which is basically Seagate. You can do a search on Google for that particular drive, and it will tell you exactly what drive it is and where you can download software for that particular drive so you can monitor. Let's head over to Google and do a search. I'm going to do a search for ADATA SSD. You can see I found a link here. It takes me to all the SSDs that ADATA have, because that's the one that's in this PC. So all we need to do here is search for your particular type of SSD or NVMe or whatever one you've got on your system. Go over to the support page here. This will give you information for the download section, which is your software and drivers and manuals. You can also check the warranty and also other stuff like that on their website. Here where you'll get the access to the SSD toolbox. This is the software for this particular type of SSD that I'm using on this system here. I can then download this software. This will give me access to a bunch of features for my SSD. Now, if you're using a different brand of SSD, say for instance Samsung or one of the other types of SSDs, there's many of them out there, you can do a search just like that for the software, just like this Samsung SSD software, and it will take you straight to the Samsung Magician software where you can download that and install it on your system. Now, whether you're using another brand of SSD, you'll be able to do exactly the same thing and find the software that they have available for that SSD. So why do I need the software? Well, it's going to give you a bunch of useful information. Let me get this installed and we can take a closer look at the software and what information it gives us. So I'm going to go ahead and install this. Now go next and then accept their terms of agreement, and then basically go next, 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 and then create a desktop shortcut if you want to, next, and install. And now we can launch our ADATA SSD toolbox. So let's start off with the drive information. You can see it gives me the amount of drives I've got on this particular machine, gives me the model number and also the firmware number and version, and also what connection speed is, and the serial number, which is very useful. It also gives me the logical drive information on the amount of space that's available, the drive health, and also estimated lifespan remaining on that drive. It gives me the terabytes written and the temperature, and I can click on here for smart details for that drive, which will tell me whether the drive is failing. That is really useful information. So let's move on to the diagnostics tab here, and as you can see, I can do diagnostics on this drive. I can set up a quick diagnostic scan, and I can do a full diagnostic scan to see whether the drive is failing. This is very useful and very quick and easy to do to test whether the drive is failing. I can also set up a alert system here which will tell me when the drive is reaching a certain temperature. I can set up my own temperatures here, or even put in an estimated lifespan under the certain percentage. So if I wanted to be notified when the drive is running out of life, I can put in a percentage here and apply this to this software, which makes it very, very useful to find out when your drive is just about to die. Let's move over to utilities here, and this is another way of secure erasing your SSD. Before you get rid of your SSD, it's important that you do a secure erase and wipe all the data from that, and you can use that feature to do that for you. Here we have SSD optimization. We can run this and it will optimize our SSD for us. You just have to click the Run Optimize button here, and it will then do that for us and give it the best optimization settings for us. We also have OS Optimizer. We can go to Basic or we can go to Advanced and apply this, and you can also restore here. Also, it gives us our system info of our computer, which is very useful as well. Now, you can use third-party software like Hard Disk Sentinel, which is not free, but it is very powerful software nevertheless, and it does give you a bunch of good features. Now, of course, you can use just the free versions that you get with your SSD from the manufacturer's website, or you can purchase something like this that adds a bunch of different features to the Windows operating system, which you can then monitor your SSDs from here, or your hard drives. You can see it lists them out just like this on the left hand side here, and it also gives you some information which you can click on. So let me click on this here. So let me click on the SSD here so we can see what sort of information we've got here. So on the right hand side you can see an overview tab, gives you the performance and also the health of that drive, which is very useful, and it gives you some information there. You can repeat a test, gives you the power on time, which is the amount of power on times you've done for this drive, also estimated remaining lifetime, and also lifetime rights of that drive, how much you've got here. Very useful information indeed for people that want to keep an eye on that sort of stuff. Now let's go to temperature here. This gives you the temperatures. You can get a daily average, maximum and also minimum, and it also gives you a good breakdown of your temperatures. It also gives you a smart readout which gives you critical warnings, power cycles and power on hours and unsafe shutdowns. Gives you a bunch of stuff like that as well. Gives you some information about the drive itself, and you can also see here some logs. It will give you some logs for that drive, for the amount of problems that you may be having here, and it will list them all here. You can clear the logs and also see how many log files that have been done for that drive. Drive performance, you can see here this is doing some sort of performance test on the drive. Gives you the disk activity and transfer rate. You can do some testing here. Also alerts as well, where you can set up an alert via email if you want to, which will tell you when there's a problem with your drive, and it will alert you. So you can set that up as well, and you can do that for both of these drives or as many drives you have on your system. So whatever software you choose to use, this software is very powerful and very useful, and it does have some really nice features added to this particular software. Now there's also a load of other stuff you can do with this particular software. Let me just show you up the top here. I can do a little configuration here, reports, view, and I can even do a quick scan on the drive as well and do a short self-test, or we can check the online warranty for this drive as well. So we do a quick scan here. I'm going to select the drive only that I want to do here and just run this here. And it will run a quick check on that drive to tell me whether the drive is in good working order. Now the reason why I'm showing you this software as well, because it is quite useful. Not all SSDs will come with software that you can use. Some of the cheaper Chinese manufacturer makes might not have software that you can install and monitor the SSD. Also, it does come up with unknown on some of those cheaper brands. So you just have to be careful on what type of SSD you buy, especially if you want to use some of the free software that comes with those. So Samsung will definitely have the Samsung Magician software. SanDisk has some software as well, which is pretty good. AData has their software. And there's a bunch of other SSD manufacturers that do have their own proprietary software that you can use, which is free. If you don't have any software, you may have to use something like this to monitor that SSD. Anyway, that's basically how to use your SSD software and monitor the health and performance of your SSD. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Have a great day. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the red subscribe button and then hit the bell notification button and click all to be notified when we upload new videos.